MSTI M7 Smart Lock Setup Tutorial. First use. Wake up the screen and click the key to enter the system. Enter the 6 到8 digit administrator password you want to set, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and press the sign to confirm. Add it successfully. There are 4 options. 1. Add users. 2. Delete the user. 3. System settings. 4. Record the volume of the language. 1. Add users. Press 1 to add a user. Press 1 again to add the management user. Add the face according to the system instructions. Add it successfully. Press the fingerprint recognition area with your finger 6 times. Add it successfully. Enter the card and hold it close to the recognition area. Add it successfully. Enter a 6-digit password and press the key to confirm. Enter the set password again for confirmation. Add it successfully. After completion, press the key to return. 2. Delete the user. Press 2 to delete the user. There are 2 options. 1. Verify and delete users. Or to delete users by their numbers. After the deletion is completed, press the key to return. 3. System settings. Press 3 to enter the system settings. There are 4 options. 1. Time settings. 2. Installation settings. 3. Function settings. 4. Factory reset. Set the time according to 1. After entering the year, month, day, minute and second, press the sign to confirm. After completion, press the key to return. Press 2 to install the settings. There is 1 option. 1. Face recognition settings. Press 1 for face recognition settings. There are 2 options. Human body sensing. 2. Sensing distance. After the settings are completed, press the key to return. Press 3 for function settings. There are 3 options. 1. Network connection settings. 2. Double verification settings. 3. Stay and take snapshots. Press 1 to set up the network. At this point, we search in the mobile app store and download the MSTI Smart app. After the download is complete, we open the app. Then use the mobile phone number, complete registration and log in. We click to enter the app. Permission management that allows interface pop-ups. We click Add device. We select the corresponding lock and click Check Confirm and click Next. Select the Wi-Fi network according to the prompts and enter the password. Click Next. At this point, the phone will automatically generate a QR code. Point the generated QR code at the smart lock camera and maintain a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters. When you hear a beep, the network is successful. After the setting is completed, press the key to return. Press 4 to restore factory settings. Press to confirm. Press to return. After completion, press to return to the main menu. Press 4 to record language, volume. There are 4 options. Query the number of users or read records some language settings volume settings. Press 3 language settings. There are 2 options. Chinese or English. After completion, press the key to return. Press for voice settings. There are 3 options. Turn on voice or turn off voice volume. After completion, press the key continuously to return.